Hello. Hello, students. I hope at least a few of you are watching this. If you're not, it won't matter. I won't embarrass myself because nobody will see it. And if you are, I'll think, isn't that good? Somebody's listening to me. So, who am I? Who am I? I am Dennis Wollersheim. I am your teacher for the next 12 weeks, thereabouts. Uh, in fact, it's my last semester teaching this class because I took a package and this is it. You're not going to get me anymore. Okay, well, at least I'll be immortalized in video. And you can, if you want, you can take little pictures of me on the screen and say, I was taught by the famous Dennis Wollersheim. But all humility aside, let's talk about this class. This class is called Informatics B. It might be the master's, you might be a master's student, you might be an undergraduate student, doesn't matter. You're still going to learn all about databases. Isn't that good? Databases and information. You get to, this class is your first informatics class where you get to get your hands dirty. You actually get to write computer software. Yeah, we call it software, albeit the draggy and droppy, clicky and unclicky type of software. You get to play with some software and you get to store and access data. Looking at health data and figuring out how to turn it into knowledge, how to use this random zeros and ones into useful things. So who am I? Well, I am this guy. That's my email. You can book me online. You click on that link. Actually, that's wrong. That's the one for a long time ago. But anyways, the one on the website's good. Well, Sean, you can book me, and everything's on LMS as usual, as you've known, seen many times before. What's this class about? This class is about storage and manipulation of health data, both how to do it, the tools, Microsoft Access, Microsoft Excel, and also what the data looks like, to have a real firsthand experience with big, messy chunks of health data. And what do you need to do to get good at manipulating that data? They're using my powers of prognostication, looking into the future. I can see, there is some data in your life. You are going to be using data. This world is lots of data. COVID has made it even more so because we don't want to talk to human beings. So let's see what we can do with the data. It's safer. So, and you're going to get a little better at using it in this class. And then the one next semester, Informatics C, which someone else will probably teach, that is another place where you're going to learn all about how to make use of data. And that's how we're going to get to know each other over a hot cup of data. And I can't wait. How does it work? Well, let's go on to the next slide. There's assignments, and you get to get data from a database. You get to create databases, and you get to do that first in the tutorial. And it just so happens that the tutorial also gets you to get data from a database and then store data in a database. The tutorial does all that. That's really good because then you can do the same thing in your assignment. The assignment is parallel to the tutorial. And yeah, and you'll have some help along the way. There's 20 or 30 of you in a tutorial. So we'll put you into little breakout rooms and you can help each other in the breakout rooms, your groups, your buds that you're with. You all do your assignment individually, but you can help each other out. That's good. And also you've got me and Abby and Emma, the three tutors, the three musketeers of this class. And yeah, then there's a final exam. Probably be take home, given COVID. I'm sure it'll be take home, and there'll be some spreadsheet practice. You'll have to do some stuff in a spreadsheet, and you'll have to answer some database theory questions. And I'm sure you'll do very well at that. And what do we care about? Why? What do we want you to do in this subject? We want you to get good at making database queries and designing database using spreadsheets, not just any old spreadsheets. Everyone's had experience with spreadsheets. Most people have had experience with spreadsheets, but how do you use it for large data sets? How do you use it to plan your birthday party? How do you use it to use big lists of data? Basically, how do you use it as a database? Because people do, and if you're going to use it as a database, use it principled in a principled way. And the type of data we get to play with is the national health data standards and the government health data. No, no, Control Alt S.